Imagine someone suddenly asks you in English, "Who are you? Where are you going? What are you doing?" And your mind goes completely blank. Has this ever happened to you? Don't worry. Today I will teach you 10 daily English questions that people ask in real life, especially in village. Okay? So by the end of this video, you will answer all 10 questions confidently in English. And here's today's challenge. Don't just listen. Okay? You need to watch full and answer every question before I do. Ready? Let's begin. And if you are in a village girl or boy, and if you are a beginner, then you must watch this video. Okay? Don't skip. Hello future speaker. I am Nigam from Bihar. Welcome back to day 24 of our 30 days English Fluency challenge. Today's video is completely practical. You will speak more than me. So don't skip the video because the last question is the one most learners struggle to answer. The question number 1. What's your name? Let me show you some examples. My name is Nigam. And what is your name? Tell me in the comment. Nice. I know your name. I see the comment. Remember, speak loudly and confidently. My name is Nigam. Okay? The question number 2. Where are you from? My answer. I am from Bihar, India. And now it's your turn. Where are you from? Tell me in the comment because I want to know that where my videos going and whose city, who country watch my video. I want to know that. So comment your city and town, your village and country, whatever. Question number 3. What do you do? Yes. What do you do? Just like I'm a student. I am English learner. I am a teacher. Yes, you can say it like that. How many questions have you answered correctly? Comment your score so far. And don't worry if you make mistakes. Today is about confidence, not perfection. Okay? Question number 4. What are you doing right now? Yes, right now, what are you doing? Just speak in English and loudly. Yes, I'm watching you. Speak. Let me show you some examples. I am watching an English speaking video. And you can say, I am watching an English YouTuber video. And I'm watching your English video. Me. And in this time, I'm saying, I'm recording my video for my audience. For my friends. Question number 5. What do you want to learn English? Why do you want to learn English? Yes, why? Every learners know that about why they want to learn English and why you want to learn English. You need to think about that. If your why is clear, then you definitely learn English and speak English. Let me give you some examples. I want to become confident. I want to better career opportunity. I want to travel, and I want to a speaker, and I want to public speaking on a stage. So I want to learn English. That's my goal. And tell me in the comment what's your goal and why. Before this question, first you subscribe my channels for Learn English. If you want to really learn English, then subscribe to my channel. Okay, and like and share also. The question number 6 is, what is your favorite hobby? Oh, that's your favorite hobby. Wow, this is the best. Your hobby is great. And my favorite hobby is cooking. Yes, I love cooking. Whatever you say, I cook that. Yes, I'm cooking girl. I cook everything. And I just love doing that. I enjoy cooking. The question number 7. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Yesterday. Understand? Yesterday. I am saying about my. I study English, complete my work, and watch YouTube and record YouTube video, and I see lots of comment. And yesterday I was so happy because on YouTube my 400 subscriber is completely. Thank you so much guys for loving and supporting me. Now my dream is 500 subscriber. Please complete within 1 day, please guys. 500 subscriber complete and support me guys. I need your support. Yes, I need your support. Without your support I can't do anything. So just support me guys. I also want to grow with you. The question number 8. What will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? Too hot, yaar. Let me show you some examples. I will practice English and complete my homework. You also say that. Pause this video. Answer questions 1 to 8 without looking at the screen. Can you do it? I will wait. Now I am talking about question number 9. But don't miss question number 10. Okay, that is most important. The question number 9 is, what is your biggest dream? What is your biggest dream? Wow, that is your dream. This is a great job. Your dream is really great. Yes, you deserve it. I know you can do it. Yes. And my biggest dream is to become fluent in English. And comment your dream. Okay, I want to know that what is your dream. And the last and most important question. Question number 10. Describe yourselves in 3 English words. Yes. Describe yourselves in 3 English words. I want to know that. What you describe. First, yes, comment me. Yes, do right now. And I'm showing you my examples. Hardworking, confident, and honest. Now it's your turn. I have one final challenge. Answer all 10 questions again without stopping. Record your voice on your phone. Listen to yourself. Tomorrow, answer them again. You will notice your confidence growing. So, how many questions did you answer confidently? Comment below. I answered all 10 questions. And also tell me which questions was the most difficult for you. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with a friend who wants to improve their English. Don't miss your friends and family members. If they want to learn English, then share this video. Keep learning, keep growing and keep speaking English. Bye bye. I will see you in day 25. Okay, don't miss my video.